Good evening, class.
Good evening.
Thank you, members, for purposing to join my class. I'm Trainer Mwombe. We shall be looking at our topic in computer studies, which is system analysis and design. So we shall start by defining terms in this unit. System analysis and design is a systematic process which includes phases such as planning, analysis, design, deployment, and maintenance. So we shall primarily focus on system analysis, then system design. System analysis, its definition, it is a process of collecting and interpreting facts, identifying the problems and the composition of a system into its components. So this analysis is conducted for the purpose of studying a system or its parts in order to identify its objectives. It is a problem-solving technique that improves the system and ensures that all the components of the system work efficiently to accomplish its objective. Another definition is system design. System design is a process of planning a new business system or replacing an existing system by defining its components or modules to satisfy specific requirements. So before planning, what do you need? You need to understand the old system thoroughly and determine how components can best be used in order to operate efficiently. System design focuses on how to accomplish objectives of the system. System analysis and design mainly focuses on systems, processes, and technology itself. Sorry, we move to constraints of a system. This, in other terms, it is the properties of a system. A system has the following properties: organization, interaction, interdependence, integration, central objective of the system. So organization implies structure and order, or it's the arrangement of components that helps to achieve predetermined objective. Interaction, after organizing, we move to interaction. It is defined by the manner in which components operate with each other. After interaction, you have interdependent. Interdependent means how the components of a system depend on one another. For proper functioning, the components are coordinated and linked together according to specified plan. The output of one subsystem is required by other subsystem as an input. Another step is integration. Integration is concerned with how a system component are connected together. It means that the parts of a system work together within the system, even if part performs a unique function. Okay. Central objective. After integrating, you move to the central objective of the system. The system must be centralized. It may be real or stated. It is not uncommon for an organization to state an objective and operate to achieve another objective. The users must know the main objective of a computer application early in the analysis for a successful design and conversation. So here we have a diagram which shows the elements of a system. We have the control, the input, then the processor, output, the environment around, feedback, then boundaries of interfaces. The processor is the controller of the system. Okay, then we shall be looking, or I will look into the elements of the system and how it works. You have outputs and inputs. The main aim of the system is to produce an output which is useful for its user. Or inputs are the information that enters into the system for processing. Then the output is the outcome of the processing. Processors. This processor is the element of a system that involves the actual transforming of input into an output. Control. The control elements guide the system. It is the decision-making subsystem that controls the pattern of activities governing input, processing, and output. So the behavior of a computer system is controlled by the operating system and the software. I think at this point you know what is an operating system and a software. Okay, and then we move to types of systems. We have several types of systems, and they are divided into the following. We have physical or abstract systems. Physical systems are tangible entities. We can touch and feel them. A physical system may be static or dynamic in nature. For example, desks and chairs are the physical parts of a computer center, which are static. A programmed computer is a dynamic system in which programs, data, and applications can change according to users' needs. Abstract systems are non-physical entities or conceptual that may be formulas, a representation or model of a real system. Another type of system is open system. Open or closed system. Open system must interact with its environment. Here it receives inputs from and delivers outputs to the outside of the system. For example, an information system which must adapt the changing environment condition. Whereas a closed system does not interact with the environment. It is isolated from the environment influences. A completely closed system is rare in reality. Another system is adaptive and non-adaptive system. Adaptive system responds to the change in the environment in which to improve their performance and to survive. For example, human beings, animals. Non-adaptive system is the system which does not respond to the environment. For example, machines. Mutai, are you getting me? Hello, Mutai. Oh, Mutai is not available. Can continue. We have permanent or temporary system. Permanent system persists for a long time. For example, business policies. And temporary system is made for specified time, and after that they are demolished or disassembled after the program. Another system we have natural and manufactured system. Natural systems are created by nature. For example, solar systems, seasonal systems, and manufacturer system is man-made system. For example, rockets, dams, trains, etc. We have another system which our last system is deterministic or probabilistic system. Deterministic system operates in a predictable manner, and the interaction between system components is known with certainty. For example, two molecules of hydrogen and a molecule of oxygen makes water. Probabilistic system shows uncertain behavior. The exact output is not known. For example, weather forecasting or mail delivery. Okay, our last our last unit here, our last subtopic here, we shall be looking at the formal and informal system. Formal information system is based on the flow of information in the form of memos, instruction, etc. from the top level to the lower levels of management. And we have informal information system. This is an employee-based system which solves the day-to-day related problems. And this marks the end of my lesson. We shall meet in our next lesson for much in this unit. Thank you.